Most people get online trading platforms wrong by thinking they are either too complicated or too risky, but Zacks Trade strikes a unique balance between powerful tools and accessibility. Zacks Trade is an online brokerage that appeals to both beginners and experienced traders. The surprising truth, despite its advanced tools, you don't need a Wall Street background to use it effectively. I tested the platform for equities, options, and ETFs, and the experience was smooth and reliable. The platform offers deep research tools. Most people get this wrong by assuming research reports are only for pros, but Zacks Trade provides analyst ratings, historical performance data, and advanced charting, all integrated into the trading interface. For example, you can screen for stocks with high Zacks rank, which historically has been linked to strong short-term performance. Fees are another standout feature. Unlike many brokers that charge hidden fees, Zacks Trade's commission structure is transparent. For U.S. stocks, it's as low as $0.01 per share, and international trading is also competitive. Most people get this wrong by ignoring fees, but over time, low costs can significantly boost net returns. The mobile app mirrors the desktop experience, making it easy to trade on the go, check your portfolio, or monitor market news. Customer support is responsive, and the platform offers demo accounts, which is perfect if you want to practice before committing real money. In conclusion, Zacks Trade is a solid choice for anyone looking for research-driven trading with low costs. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the value of integrated research and fee transparency. If you want a platform that balances power, affordability, and usability, Zacks Trade deserves serious consideration. Subscribe for more honest reviews on trading platforms so you can make smarter investing decisions without surprises.